How to make UX portfolio? First, we know why we create that portfolio. Through the portfolio, we can showcase our design. Through the portfolio, we can apply for the jobs in multiple companies. And third, through the portfolio, we are able to show our design process and our design skills. Like example, if I want to make a travel app, many of the design of the travel app will be found on the Behance or Dribble. Many designers design it just by looking at it. But through this portfolio, you can showcase that design. You have not copied this design from anywhere. What research have you done to make this design? You have defined persona, created empathy mapping, created user flow, information architecture, and create the wireframing. You have done a visual design. It is understandable through the portfolio. You can understand which process to use to create this design and solve that problem and designed it. So let's know how we create that portfolio. First of all, we should know which problem we are trying to solve. You have to identify what is the problem of your users, what is your business, their goals. Which problem are we going to solve? When you identify that problem, then we have to solve it through your design. Then you have to define how you are solving that problem. What process, what method are you using to solve that problem? So all those methods we have to showcase in this portfolio. Through the portfolio, we can show what problem we had identified, how are you solving that problem, what is your design process, which design process do you follow and create your designs. Like you will have to conduct user interviews, survey, you will have to define personas, empathy mapping. After that, you will analyze it. You will create a user flow and you will create an information architecture, and then you will create the wireframing. After the wireframe, you will come to the visual design. So on that, you will first create a style guide, and then you will be able to create all your designs using the style guide. So we show all these methods in our portfolio, that so how we solved this problem in it. You can show all these methods in your portfolio, and you can also show about the individual screens, how an individual screens works, and in the end you can show all the screen of your apps. But you have to showcase the design in such a way that your design does not look boring. It is not that you put all the text element in the starting and your visual design app screen in the end, which makes your design portfolio looks a bit boring. So you have to use such element in this way so your design does not look boring and the user will like to see it. We have given some samples of the portfolio in this link. With the help of the portfolio, you can make very attractive and very good UX portfolio.